Hello, everybody. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Doing a set of dominoes, a commissioned set of red, black, and green dominoes. And I have done the lines. These dominoes have an indentation all the way around, so I put black in there. They wanted a solid color and then outlined and lined with a black and then the dots with red. So they wanted a solid green, all dots red, all lines and outline in black. So I'm just going to show you how I'm doing this. I've already done all of these in the black, and I'm just applying the red with this precision tipped bottle that is filled with enamel. So I have red enamel in here, and you just place your tip into the dot, squeeze, and circle around so that you get all the edges, and then stop and fill it up. Do this for each dot, circle it around so that you're touching all those edges, stop and fill it up. And I tend to go all the way across, fill it up, circle around, touching all edges, fill it up. Until you have all of the dots on the domino completed. Circle around, fill up. Squeeze, circle around, touching all edges, fill up. And then I just tap it on the table. This enamel will sink down as it dries. And once I am complete with these and they dry, I will go back around each one of these dominoes once again with the black outline and the line in the middle, and then I will fill the red all the way up because it's going to settle. All of the enamel settles down, and so I end up painting them twice. Thank you for watching. Bring it back when I'm all done. These are going to go on the top of, I like these, I like the style, but they're thin. I don't like the thinness. So I'm trying something new this time. I have another set of dominoes that where I filled on the bottom clear. Halfway filled it, and then I'm going to place the corresponding domino on top of the clear to make them thicker. Let me just show you. So I have this set filled, halfway filled. And what I'll do, let's take this one for instance, the one with no dots. And I'm going to put some resin in here, flip this over, and push it down in there. And it matches perfectly. That shows you how thin these are. I don't like that set, but I like to double them up. So I'll come back when I'm at that stage or when I have completed them. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please think about it. If you didn't like this video or this is not your thing, check out some of the other videos that I have. As always, peace and love, and we'll see you real soon. Toodles. Have a great day. And I just want to bring this up close and personal so that you can actually, let me turn this light off, see what it looks like. I think they're pretty neat with that line all the way around. Stay tuned.